Samsung responds to mounting complaints about S23 Ultra screen defect. I saw a little bit of this on social media. I have still not completely migrated over to this device. Didn't you say they demanded to have it back?
Yeah.
Okay, so in which case I don't even want to go through the process of migrating everything because I'm not even going to be able to have an extended use on it. By the sounds of it, I don't know. Maybe Willie Doo will sort that out. But it's in the bottom corner over here. Let me check if mine has that going on. This one probably needs to be charged at this point for me to be able to spot it. But yeah, it's a little tiny wobble in the corner there. Is it an adhesive? Is it the glass over top? Many S23 Ultra early adopters are complaining of a screen defect in their new phone, according to posts on Reddit, Twitter, and Samsung community forums. There's something a little off about the screen. More specifically, it looks like the display has a minor deformity. For the majority of affected users, the apparent flaw is either on the bottom left or bottom right-hand side, though some have noticed it on both sides. It looks like it's in the layer above the display itself, to me. Like right on the surface level. You can kind of see it. You have to tilt the device in the light, like so you can see it reflected, where it looks like almost like a melted type of deformity, like as if you held the plastic over heat or something.
Okay.
I don't know. That's how I would describe it.
There's like a wave?
That's how I would describe what I'm looking at here. I can't replicate it on my device, but that's how I would describe this image that I'm looking at. Would you agree?
Yeah. Although it's hard to really tell. Like, to actually see it in person, like, to feel it is something else. Because this looks like a little scratch or something. It's hard to tell.
Yeah, and it has to be kind of in the right light to notice it. And it's mostly, like, it's right on the chin section. Here, let's play the video. It's right on this chin section over here.
So it's warping.
A warp would be another way to describe it. You see how you can
using the light to showcase the warp?
Absolutely. And this guy just got it out the package by the looks of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it something to do with the way that it's like laminated on there or heat being applied to it? This is guesswork on my behalf. People obviously aren't happy about a very expensive device. They want it to be mint. Absolutely mint. Can confirm that every Galaxy S23 unit in this store, all demo units and my unit, has this defect at the bottom right part of the display. It has that weird look, and I'm not even sure what it is, a defect of, or just Samsung itself messing up. Like, is it to be expected? What's weird is he can see it with the screen off. I don't believe I have it on mine. Not that that really matters or whether or not that's fair, because this device is like handed to me from Samsung.
Right.
So they're maybe like, hey, this is you know what I mean?
Let me just
Gold
inspect
sample.
this
The
real
binning process or whatever. I don't have it here by the looks of it. No, I don't think I do.
Yeah.
But I guess some of them do. So
that's unfortunate.
Well, good luck to those. I hope they get it rectified.